uthenga for 10 million ngiyikhokhile imali yakhona phelele 10 million imali yami sengixakwa ileli dladla kusedladleni lapho leli dladla because she's involved ayikho into yake yalunga emhlabeni ukhona umdolomba pha angazi nebhadi noma wachathwa ngesichitho lo ngisaba ngisho ungena ebhizinisini naye yonke into anayo fana ungabona abantu bamthuka kanjani kuma Facebook lo hey angithi iyo lento engikhuluma yokuchaga amadoda usethi uMakaizer Chiefs yonke lonke usechaga amadoda kade kufika abafuthi hey akathi kuma ngathi awukanti niyabona ay mina bengingafunda ukukhuluma ungcoma sekhuluma nini she's out there without permission my permission but la mntwana ngozi mawumfati wendvodza uyacela awungicela ukuye kuthini at least let your husband know ukuthi ngiye kuthini mase sikubona nje uqhamuka nje angazi lesifebe besiyaphi mawuthu ayabamthanda the Zulus are not happy with her
kufanele kube nelibandla labo makele leya labo
yebo
bondlunkulu libafundzise sibondlunkulu ba behavior njalo
lapha ekhaya kodwa yazi ukuthini amabandla njalo engathi bayothola le inkonzweni koShembe maye mina noShembe mina uShembe kimi uyabona uShembe unyani isilima manje hey ngiyakwashembe uyabona nje kunendoda emshelayo ukuthi uMasango lo uyazi uphi hey ngicela ukuye esontweni ngathi ufuna ukumkhwela lesontweni lalela ngomdedela inja ayihambi inja iyokhwela esontweni wakuthini ngiyophuma ngiyoflathela uyodungama lo akangazi
akuvuke
noma ngabe unomuntu onjani wangapha ngizoyishaya engane ayingazi ngiyinkosi how did I become a king ngoba ngumthakathi
ayedidishile
ucabanga ukuthi wonke lamadoda angaka eSouth Africa onke afuna uba yizilo
ayedidishile
ungalwa nami wena hey wekholo lenjayela kusek ngicela endini yami nginentombi yami lapha uncane enduni lena anqenge ngcuza yakhe mina fuck yangedelela umdolomo ngimpa imali wazi uthini ngiyagcina uzombona uhluphe kanjani umfazi lo ngimfuna aphumile futhi la endlini yami la hamba hamba emaqhobeni ade ngibuza stupid question la uduka ngikwazi lalela uyazi wenzeni lengane le kumanje kunento yakhayo lapho uyazi induna ziyangibuka ufike induna lapho but yini lenziwa umntwana sizula akhela yena emzini kaba yini lo ekhaya wena hey wothatha lezi iqini zakho ubuye nazo emachobeni ngakubeka emachobeni nomsunu kanye omsunu wensha futhi ngijwayela kabi wena awusiwa la wakhangela wena akekho umuntu onomfazi la ngijwayela kabi wena mdolomo uzuhlala ngathi uinnocent kanti uyanuka fuck you usack ngifuna uhambile wazi uthini
yona impilo engiyiphilayo usuku nemini le usuku nemini kuphilwa
into engizoyenza
ngithemba ukuthi bengicuphile ubuza into yasuka awuthi ngihambe
Misizulu mzala wami awumameli Misizulu mzala wami ngakutshela ngathi yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs azokubulala yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs njalo nje mangumameli ukukhuluma uhlala ushushu umahlala eshushu ngakubona lapha no King Charles uso umile mara ulele so ngathi mudle imali yakhe kubona ukuthi hayi no uphelile ndoda so Misizulu ngakutshela mina, you are not at peace. Awuna peace, Mrs. Zulu. And you are not humble like you used to when I lived with you here in the United States. You were very handsome, humble man, very considerate, just a cool kid. Nyalujikile wawislwane manje. You're fighting your sisters, you're fighting your brothers, you are not at peace, Mrs. Zulu. I know bakubangisa, niyabanga. But the most important thing, Mrs. Zulu, is peace. I live in peace, America. Angishishwa next. And I'm not chasing money. I don't chase the dollar. Ngiyasebenza nje kahle. And live my life and enjoy my life. And take pleasure in some of the most simplest things. You're worth $1 billion US. You can lose your life. Because, Mrs. Zulu, you're rough with your life. You must eat well, you must sleep well, and you must be at peace. And be good to your people and not look for shortcuts. Ulingisa uMswati. Mswati is running up and down, up and down, up and down with these Arabs, Chinese, Indian, Pakistani, selling the land of the Swazi people. We are doing the same thing, man. Ngibona lama Arabs niyehla uyanyuka beyehla njengomkenkethe njengomakhosetive. Mrs. Zulu, I will pray for you. I will put a prayer that you get well soon. You get out of this and you heal. But from now on, you must learn how to conduct yourself properly on the throne. You can't live the lifestyle you lived before you. I will pray hard for you, Mrs. Zulu. Nakubona ngisho indlela ohamba ngayo. Uhamba njengomswati kaso. You're out of shape. You don't exercise. When you were here, Mrs. Zulu, you were fit. You were solid. Manje ngathi uyiqhegu nje uhamba so njengomswati. Ngithi mina unani Mrs. Zulu? Une-gout. Hayi Mrs. Zulu, you are not well. I mean, I could look at you and tell they are not well. Young man, I'm fresh one. I need to talk to you. And you won't return my phone calls. I need to talk to you, Mrs. Zulu. And stay away from that ritual murderer, assassin, King Mswati the third. Because that's part of the reason the Matimona Klasser. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.